Maniac drive 10 and 2? I don't think so. Does the Maniac drive with a light on in the cab of the truck? Yes.
Found the wad. Fire in the hole.
Good.
That turkey's dead.
Should I shoot the 50 now?
Probably. Dead.
Say we're ready?
You are. We'll find out if I am.
Alright. Dead.
Dead. 50?
Dead.
And we're done already. Me and Brandon just want to make sure that we are good to go.
There we are.
I think we're fine.
Alright. I'm still breathing heavily because people don't pick up their trash. I just stepped on a broken beer bottle and it went through my foot. Just got here to Kentucky and I'm already hurt. Pick up your trash. The good news is me and Brandon just stepped out of the truck and we didn't even call or nothing to locate them. One gobbled down here in the bottom where we had one goblin last year. And then we heard some owls go off and one gobbled down in the bottom over here. And then I owl hooted and a crow went off over here and one gobbled like 70 yards away. So there's 3 of them here so far and it's still really early. We got about another hour until they fly up. He's probably gonna cross down, get back up.
Kill him tomorrow.
Probably. Me and Brandon found a little secret. And that's for you guys to find out. And for us not to tell. You can still hear them, can you hear them? Yeah, they're right in front of us. Okay, we're down here in Kentucky. It's the night before opener. We're trying to roost some birds and we just walked up this hill. We got almost to the top and we heard a bunch of scratching up here. We saw some scratching about 30 yards down the hill, about midway. But we've had some luck up here in the past. Not necessarily us, but some people we know have killed some birds up here. So we thought we'd come up and see if there's anything up here. There's no trucks parked over here. So we're hoping that they kind of fly up right at roost time, right on the edge of these cedars. We'll sneak up here in the morning and get on them, but we'll have to see. We're just going to hunker down here for a little bit and listen. And if they kind of move off, we might sneak back up. But I think for right now, we're just going to hang out here and see what we hear. So the scratching that me and Brandon just heard right here in front of us, we're being pretty bad about not having the camera on when these birds are gobbling. But we are telling the truth. We pulled up on our first spot. We heard 3 gobblers, and one was like 60 yards behind of us. Just now, for some reason, a hen just started cutting. And it's the same group of turkeys we just heard scratching in front of us, and a turkey gobbled right here in front of us, right down below. So they're definitely going to roost right here in front of us somewhere. They are really, really close to us. But they're just over this like lip. And I think me and Brandon both think they're going to be heading to this other point. If they do that, that's good for us. Squirrel. tree. He's over on the cedar. Anyway, I really do think they're going to come back where they came from, where we first heard them. In the morning, they're going to go back to where they're comfortable. This is good, though. It's awesome. That one's like right on that point. I don't know how many we saw. We heard at least 6, probably, right? At least 6.
Probably 6, yeah.
We saw a couple of them fly up. Our plan got a little foiled, though, for the morning. I think we're going to have to loop around them and get behind them. I don't think we can go straight up this ridge because I think there's a bird right along the fence here. I think we're going to be able to get one to gobble soon. There's a full gobble. That's an old bird. I think it's a gobbler. I think he's puffed up right now. That's probably him. Yep, that's him. He's strutting. That's 100%. Okay. Oh. Yeah, oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah. Big old beard. He's facing right. He's facing to the right. Yeah, kind of like right and then to us a little bit. Do you see the gobble on the camera? Oh yeah. Dude. And you're in the shotgun seat tomorrow morning. Dude, we can totally sneak up this ridge. I think so too. As long as we stay along this row right here. Is he on the other point? Just on this side? Yeah. Okay. Alright, that might be what we do in the morning. I can't believe it. I saw some movement. You said you saw some movement. I can't believe that's actually the gobbler. Dude, I got a very narrow window. Like, it just happened to be between these two trees. Yeah. I can barely see him on this side of the tree. He's probably, 130 yards away right now? Probably. Dude, I'm so glad I heard I heard me and Brandon were walking up this hill, and I stopped for a second because I thought I heard something. And I just heard scratching literally right in front of us, like 60 yards in front of us, just over this lip. And it was a group of turkeys. And sure enough, boom, gobble. Well, we got one to go after in the morning. Let's go.
Want the night mode on or something?
Nope, just getting some B-roll of you driving like a maniac.
Does the Maniac drive 10 and 2? I don't think so. Does the Maniac drive with a light on in the cab of the truck? Yes.
Yes. It's turkey time. We got a bird roosted. We're about to kill him. We're gonna put our best sneak on him, right?
Yep. Me and Brandon, we came up with a really good plan. Hopefully it works. And the famous saying is roosted does not always mean roasted. But this is the best opportunity we've had in quite some time on opening evening as far as roosting is concerned. We normally don't hear much in the evenings, but then we go to the same spot and there's multiple birds there. But the good news is we did hear a lot last night. I guess it was good enough conditions where they felt good. And we heard like 4 or 5 last night. And we got one pinpointed, and then we actually saw them in the tree, which is a first for an evening roost, at least for a while. So we literally know what tree he's in. And me and Brandon are going to go in there. He's in the shotgun seat this morning, so I'll be behind the camera, and we'll get on this one hopefully we roast him, and then we get on another one.
Let's go.
Yep, good. It's opening morning. We're making our ascent. We are probably within 200 yards of this bird right now. We just gotta hook up here to the right. And there's kind of an opening where we're gonna find a nice tree and sit and wait. He should be gobbling probably within the next 25 minutes, so just have to be really quiet these last couple hundred yards. Alright, we're set up. Not really sure how far we are from this bird, but probably less than 100, I would say. I think we worked a little bit past him. And it was a little tricky because the moon is a full moon and it's super bright out, which is nice for us to see where we're walking, but he can also see us. But I think we got in clean. It's just a matter of where he's going to pitch down and if he's going to work up this bull right here. But we're in a good spot, I think, initially. We're not right on top of him, I don't believe, but we're close enough, so he might need to work to us just a little bit. But we'll see once it gets a little bit lighter, he'll start gobbling.
We are very, very close. Yeah, I hear him coming. There's two of them. Dude, that's crazy. There's two of them here. I had a feeling there was a couple gobblers in that group. Yeah. Yeah. I might give them a couple soft clucks. Yeah. Oh yeah. He heard it. That's good. We have a good chance of killing this one because one of them might be a satellite bird. And he might break from the group to come find us. Here's the good news, he's facing toward us. Yeah. Yep, he definitely hears us. Dude, I can't believe I can't see him in the tree. He might be down. He might be down lower than we think, like halfway down the trees that we see. He's got to be 80 yards. Yep. There's a lot to the right. There it is. Right there. Get ready. That's him. That's him. Hold on. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Got him. Hold on. Yep, got him. got him, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Brandon.
Dude, did I tell you? Did I tell you? Not one step. Not one step. Dude, I told you last night, I said, I wanted to fly down and not take one step. Can you believe that?
That's the head.
Alright guys, Brandon just shot one. It flew down, bam. We talked about this last night. Dude, can you believe that?
No, you're on camera, dude.
Dude, can you believe that? That's exactly what we talked about.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Okay. You think if I walk up there though?
I think he's far enough.
Think he's far enough?
Yeah.
Dude.
Wow. Just ease up.
This thing's got some hooks.
Oh my. Oh my God. Show these hooks. Oh my gosh. Hooks.
I'd say that's a limb hanger.
That's a limb hanger, dude. Big beard on him.
That's what we saw swinging in the tree last night.
Yep.
Dude, thanks, dude. Man. Can you ask for a better start?
We basically called it last night. We said, if the bird, we hope the bird just flies down and as soon as his feet land, you shoot.
Dude, how many things though happened last night? We get to the first spot, boom, gobble, gobble, gobble. 3 gobbles. And then we go to the next spot, there's a truck. Go to the next spot, there's a truck. We're like, hey, let's try up here. We knew there was some success up here in the past with your dad. But we haven't been up here in like
A few years.
yeah, for a while. And we had a nice walk in and got in clean and dude, he gobbled his face off for like
He gobbled
half hour.
100 times probably.
Holy cow, dude, that happened fast. Did you get on him? Because I was like, he landed, I was like, you on him?
I think he was coming in regardless.
Yeah, I think so too, because that that other gobbler on the point, I think the hen was much closer. Man, I just can't be thankful enough.
Cooper's penny.
Lucky penny. I found a little penny yesterday right before I left with the date 2024 on it. I was telling Brady that I found this penny. I'm like, Cooper was just saying, Dad, good luck today. Good luck this weekend. And couldn't have worked out any better. Man. Got it in here somewhere.
is. Thanks, buddy. How awesome is that? Alright guys, here he is. Kentucky 2025, opening morning. The two-step bird. I think we watched the video back. He did take 2 steps. I was hoping he wouldn't take any, but guess we can't be greedy. So, yeah, just very thankful for this day. As we're sitting here, there's birds going off a couple hundred yards away. And we know there's hunters over there, but only heard 1 shot so far, and it was a close one. So, thanks to Brady for filming. Video looks great. Short but sweet. So hopefully we can get back on another one here in another hour or so. Get Brady a bird and grill out the rest of the day. Sound like a plan? All right, let's do it. Thanks, guys.